offers an eclectic spectrum. Each artwork narrates a story that captures an element on that spectrum. Whether it is quality, authenticity, colors, lines, strokes, craftsmanship, creativity, luxury, perfection. We traveled back in time and revitalized the artwork of the great Romans, Greeks, and the civilizations that started it all. The spectrum collided into one, Mosaico. We combine handmade perfection, a variety of natural marble stone colors, endless customization options, dreamy and luxurious designs, free consultation, 18 years of experience, all online. Living mosaics, one stone at a time.